Ed Miliband's latest net zero reform could pit neighbors against each other in a quick fix bid to boost clean energy. Ed Miliband's removal of planning restrictions for installing a heat pump could drive a wedge between neighbors, critics have warned. The Energy Secretary confirmed that the existing rule that a heat pump needs planning permission if within a 1-meter boundary of a neighbor's property had been removed to encourage households to switch to cheap, clean power. The measures were originally brought in to minimize noise pollution, requiring assessments to be carried out before permission was granted for the heat pump installation. Critics of the change, which came into force on Thursday, May 29, have slammed it as a quick fix to boost clean energy production that will have repercussions on neighborly relationships around the UK. Heat pumps are clearly a mistake, Andrew Montford, of Net Zero Watch, said. They are expensive to install and expensive to run, and now it seems they are going to set neighbor against neighbor too, he told The Telegraph. It's hard to identify any redeeming features at all. Mike Foster, of the Energy Utilities Alliance trade body, added that the scrap rule was another quick fix in the rush to drive up the numbers being fitted. The answer to the problem is to make the appliance quieter, not get rid of a protection against noise, he said. While the move to scrap the planning rule isn't new, and was also considered by the previous Conservative government after complaints about difficult implementation, it comes amid weak demand for the electrical appliances. Around 65,600 heat pumps were installed in UK homes last year, according to certification body MCS, significantly less than Miliband's target of 600,000 a year by 2028. They were also dwarfed by the 1.5 million new gas boilers fitted over the same period, with the preference thought to be linked to cheaper upfront costs and simpler, more reliable systems.
Explicar lo que siento cuando tú no estás conmigo, cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito, cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.